It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah, girl, my champion lover.
Hey Grateful Gang, so we've got another savings challenge book. It may be the cutest way to save 4K I've ever seen. And yeah, that happens to rhyme. Cutest way to save 4K, cutest way to save 4K. My friend Celisa over at Beautifully Me and You made another banga. Okay, she made another banger, y'all. This super cute Kawaii Savings Book helps you save $4,000. Her channel and Etsy shop will be linked down below. Please check out her channel. She has amazing budgeting and saving content, and I'm sure she'll be saving in this book. Her Etsy shop is beautifully curated, so check that out as well. As you can see from the cover, we can already tell that this Kawaii Savings Challenge book is colorful, playful, and it might not be my main savings challenge book, but I think it's perfect for any saver. I'm really loving coloring her other savings challenge book, the most basic savings challenge book. Right here, right here. If you're more of a basic baddie like me who likes to choose her own colors and color, this will also be linked down in the description box. It's on Amazon as well as this book. Now, if you want to see more detail of what's in here and a quick explanation of that, then I also have a video that'll be linked at the end of this video to show you more about that. Without further ado, let's do a little flip through of this cute book. I'm so excited to see inside. I was able to see a few things on her shorts and stuff, but I definitely want to see what it's looking like. All right, so we've got a blank page here. Okay, let's see. What I love about a book is when it can lay flat, because I'm trying to color or work here. And I love that her books lay flat. I do. Easy KY Saving Challenge book. I do love this one. Has a start date and end date on it, which is really nice if you want to take this as one big challenge, or I'm sure you could take them one at a time. Ooh, y'all see it? Very berry. You save $155 in this. This is so cute. We got some berry pies, some strawberries, some flan it looks like, but I'm sure it's some kind of fruit thing. And look at these little strawberry bows. And what I love about all her challenges is that they're small amounts that add up to bigger amounts. So all this 18, 10, 15, 8, 12, 10, 35, 6, these all add up to 155, you guys. I love how the pages are already decorated. So if you're not into coloring like me, you can still get a fun feeling for checking things off and seeing your progress. And if you do like coloring, I also feel like you could take your marker and go around the white areas and things like that. This one is very peachy. You save $215. Look at these. Look at that bear. This little bear with the boba, she actually just made a new thank you card for if you place an order, and you'll get the weird bear with the boba as a mini savings challenge. When I tell y'all, that girl is so creative. Very cherry. Look at this. Happy food. Look, now this one is still under $20 like the other one, but because of the color, it's slightly a little bit more, and I mean slightly, like $2. Look at the fruit salad. Look at the kiwis. Y'all know I love kawaii type cutesy things. Y'all know. If you're not new here, is that a pickle? Oh my God, it's so cute. So cute. So let me be honest, I'm more of a minimal saving books girly. I feel like we lost a little bit of light, so I turned on some more lighting. I don't know why, because it's a beautiful sunny day, but if you see some shadows, I apologize. So let me be honest, I'm more of a minimal saving book girl, but this one I immediately thought would be great for kids learning how to save, teenagers who are like trying to save for their allowance or some games or gadgets. Look at the snacks. Adults who love kawaii or bright challenges, and people who are just visual savers. Like they just love the visual motivations. Come on, Cookie. This is so cute. That page would just make me hungry. Another thing I love about her book is that she leaves a blank page on the back. So you can write on each back of the page what you'd like to save for. If you're not saving a full $4,000 for something specific, you could be like, oh, okay, I love you. Look at this. I love you page. Oh my God, look at these cute little animals. Look at that sheep. Okay, lamb. Oh my God. Okay. Look at that frog. Like you could write on the back of this, taking the kids to the zoo or field trip if they were going to the zoo, and you'd save the $40. Look how little this challenge is. Like this would be $40 for them to have as spending money on their trip. 1, 4, 3. Oh my God. So cute. Okay. This though is my favorite page. I saw it when she did her flip through and I was like, oh my goodness. So me. $180, babes, that could buy me a couple of books. So I love this. And so the cats, oh my God, and I think that's a doggy in the books. I love it so much. And I think kids would love to save in this, to buy new little books or trips to the library, things like that. Not everybody wants a simple saving tracker. Some people save better when it's fun, it's colorful and cute. And this book makes saving feel so joyful and fun and not stressful. Like it's super playful. Like look at these kittens in the yarn. Meow meow, and you save 160. Meow 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 meow. Sorry. Look at the cozy, the kitty with the boba, the ghosty, and the doggy. $150. Honestly, y'all, I thought I might give this book away, but it's so cutie. I might. See, buddy, save $130. Look at the turtle, babes. Look at it. And the little crab and the little puffer fish. Oh my God, it's so cute. One thing I love about this is how friendly it feels. It's not just a big serious goal book. And this is why I also thought it was really cool for like kids. Even though you're saving $4,000, it doesn't feel intimidating. It's 130. One of those pages were 40, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like these challenges take it into one small step at a time. And you can color as you go or check off as you go or circle as you go, whatever you really want to do. Now, look at this nurse. She's a nurse. So there's a nursery for $135. Look at these gingerbread nurses. Look at the little needle and the capybara. Nurse, like mommy nurse. So cute. I think my sister is a mommy nurse. And so sporty. We're number one. We're winning over here. We are winning when we're saving, right? And so we're going into the Christmas season, y'all. Let's be real. We're going into the Christmas season. And I think these would be perfect gifts. If you are at a loss at what to buy somebody, these would just be the perfect gifts. You can give it to your niece, your nephew, your kids, a teen saving for something, your best friend, or even anyone who just loves cute kawaii stationery or stationery in general. Listen, I love a gift that helps people build good habits. That is a top tier gift. Okay, artsy 140. Look at the eraser. The little palette, the little pencil. Yeah, I said pencil. Look at these little cute bows. Oh my goodness. So cute. Now, say your goal is to save $4,000 a year or 2 or 3. There's no cap on this or how long it will take you. You could use this to break this down into little chunks, or if you're helping kids save for something, then it's a fun way to do it because it's it's great for people who are visual learners who just like pretty things like myself. We just like pretty things around us. And the best part is how simple it is. Choose an amount, mark it off, and watch your savings grow. Let's be for real. It's really simple and super cute. Super cute. This is the kind of book that makes saving feels like scrapbooking, and that's the energy some people need. Big saving energy, y'all. Okay, now let's talk about, she's got a few of these that are based around holidays, which is perfect for those who have sinking funds, which are just like envelopes in cash or on buckets on your digital, because I'm a digital baddie, so I like my digital stuff, where you would save for things that are coming in future. Like maybe you want to have host over, maybe you just want to save to have a barbecue or something with your family for the holidays. So you can save $130 for 4th of July. You could save $175 for Halloween if you celebrate, babes, because we know that Halloween candy is expensive. Expensive. And then we have giving, great for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. You save 165. This will help you get them groceries because PP the groceries. Be grocerying, okay? Or if you're having people over just for decor, or if you want to buy fall decor, then we have Merry Christmas. 120 going towards your Christmas dinner or towards your Christmas savings. Look at all these happy capybaras in their Christmas mode. For me personally, y'all, I'd use this for fun goals like saving for seasonal bucket lists or holidays or birthday trips or even something like self-care money. You know? This is a book doesn't really need coloring for this one, but I would still use highlighters or markers or personalize my progress in some way. For me, I'd probably just color around the numbers where it's white, just because I like that kind of stuff. And here we go into seasonal. She also has a seasonal section, you guys, and this is what these pages look like, and we'll be done. But look how much you're getting in this one book for under $25. Let It Snow. It's $130. These penguins are to die for. Oh my god, they're so cute. Do you see them? Do you see the cheeks on the penguins? Do you see the cheeks on the cloudies? Okay, I'm done. I am finished. That is it. I don't even like snow, y'all. I don't even want it to snow, but it's so cute. Then you can save for spring. You guys know that over here on this channel, I love to do bucket lists, and I'm working on my fall bucket list now. And I think I'm going to make one for winter, but this would be so cute to save money for your bucket list, to buy yourself some spring flowers for self-care, to plan for a spring outing or a day just to chill. $210 can bring you a couple places. Go visit a farmer's market. Go ahead and get some stuff for spring cleaning. Get you some peeps. You see them peeps? Look at them butterflies. If you don't know, I love a butterfly. Okay, summer. We can always save some money for summer fun because, baby, we all know over here in this budgeting community that summer seems like all your money goes away in the summertime. Okay, summer, summer, summertime, summertime. Yeah, we're going to sit back and unwind. Okay, 175. Look at the little crabs again. Autumn. Okay. This, if y'all know anything about your girl, she loves these colors. These are my vibe. No, I'm going to say all it needs is a little bit of green. I live in these colors. These are my earth tones, my warm and cozy. This autumn page is everything. This and the library page are probably my faves. And look at this little bear with the basket and the little acorns. I cannot even. So cute, y'all. I'm so sorry. I thought I was going to give this book away, but after seeing it up close and personal, your girl is keeping it. I can find fun things to do with this. And then last but not least, or my line, yeah, I think last but not least, we have our winter page, and that saves 205. Start saving for the kids going back to school, start saving back for the kids' coats and their boots and their hats and their clothes for winter. And now I don't got no kids, so I'm saving for mine. And then what? Hot cocoa? Get out of here. And then we get a blank behind that and we are done. You guys, this book is more than I expected. It's super cute and I love it. If you want to check this book out, I'll put the Amazon link in the description box below. I'll also put the link to her other book down below. Babes, we're going to be saving. I haven't decided what I want to use this for, but I do think I might use it for like sinking funds, like little fun stuff for me because it's so colorful and bright. I kind of want to do that. You can grab it for you, a friend, a family member on Amazon. I think this might be one of those great stocking stuffers, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. I'm just saying, or wrap it up in a little gift wrap. It'd be a great gift as well. Now, your turn. Would you use a kawaii book like this to save? Or would you gift it? And if you are saving with this book, what are you saving for first? I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out this video going over the most basic savings challenge here. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you've got to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, y'all. Love you, mean it. Bye.